Hi, in this video I'll show you how to get these intros for very cheap. You see they are very expensive, so I'll sell them for just a few euros, dollars, what you have. Okay, this 22 are in one file and I sell them. Go to this website and click here to download CMS Flash Intros. There are 22 Flash Intros. Click what you have. I'm from the Netherlands, so I do this. Next step, payment. Just pay by phone, SMS, wallet card, or by a bank. And I'll do now. Oops. And then it's just very cheap. So this is the link for 22 templates, yeah, intros. Yeah, and I also have these dynamic flash intros. These are 11 intros. I'll sell them over here in this link. I really have them because I'll show you. Look, all these, but this very small. And these dynamic also. So it's real. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will buy them.